Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx dropping all charges against R. Kelly in his upcoming sex crimes trial.
WGN's Jenna Barnes joining us live from downtown with the latest on that. Jenna.
Micah and Ray, Foxx says justice has already been served at the federal court level, and this move will free up resources within her office to help victims in other cases.
Mr. Kelly is potentially looking at the possibility of never walking out of prison again for the crimes that he has committed.
And that is why Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx says she's dropping the state charges against R. Kelly.
We believe that justice has been served.
The charges he will no longer face are from 2019. They are 10 counts of criminal aggravated sexual abuse involving 4 victims, 3 of whom were under the age of consent.
And these women, all of them black, came forward believing that they would be heard. As a survivor, I know that the courage that it took for them to come forward.
Last June, Kelly was sentenced to 30 years in federal prison for a case in New York in which he was convicted of sex trafficking, sexual exploitation of a child, racketeering, and bribery. And here in Chicago, last September, he was found guilty of 3 counts of child pornography and 3 counts of enticement of a child. His sentencing in that federal case is scheduled for next month, but Foxx says he faces a minimum of 10 to 90 years in prison for that conviction.
Due to the extensive sentences that these convictions hold, our office has decided not to continue to expend our limited resources and court time with the indictments that we previously charged Mr. Kelly.
She says the decision was made in consultation with the survivors, some of whom already found justice in other courtrooms, but at least one won't get her day in court.
For those who did not have an opportunity to put their hand on the Bible, or who have felt for the last 20 years that their pain was not recognized, certainly this is a disappointing day for them.
And I just hopped off a call with one of R. Kelly's lawyers. He agrees with the decision to drop these charges, but said his team was prepared to fight tooth and nail against them, and he says he was confident they would win in court. We will have much more from him coming up tonight at 9. For now, we're live in the loop. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.
Thank you, Jenna.